Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back. Today we will be solving limits by factoring. I got two examples here. We're going to get started with this first one. This says the limit as x approaches 3 of x squared minus 9 over x minus 3. So for limits, if we plug in our variable here at 3, let me just do that for you right here on the side. If we did limit as x approaches 3, we plug in direct substitution right here. We get 0 over 0. So this is an indeterminate form, meaning that the limit does not exist. We can factor this instead to evaluate the limit. So if I do this again, limit as x approaches 3, we can factor this x squared minus 9 to be x plus 3 and x minus 3 over x minus 3. So right now we can cancel out the numerator and the denominator, this x minus 3. So let's cross that out here. And now let's rewrite limit as x approaches 3. We have x plus 3. So from here we can do direct substitution. So if we continue to show our steps, we can do 3 we can do 3 plus 3, which gets us our limit at x approaches 3 for this function is going to be 6. So there you have it. Now let's try this again. This one's a little bit easier, same idea. If we use direct substitution to solve this initially, we get 0 over 0, or it's indeterminate form. So we can't do that. But instead, if we end up doing our factoring to simplify, we can write this as x plus 2 and x minus 2 over x minus 2. We can cross these out again. Our limit at x, as x approaches 2, is 2 plus 2, or limit at x approaches 2 is 4. And that is how to solve limits by factoring.